the heart of Japan, amidst blossoming cherry trees and ancient temples, there lived an Akita Inu with a noble spirit and a heart as pure as snow. This Akita Inu, known for its loyalty and bravery, embarked on a journey that would lead to an unexpected friendship and teach the village about the power of kindness and understanding. One crisp morning, the Akita Inu set out from its home, driven by a sense of adventure and a desire to explore the world beyond the familiar streets and alleys of its village. The Akita's thick, luxurious fur glistened in the sunlight, a testament to the breed's resilience against the cold and a symbol of its dignified heritage. As the Akita Inu ventured into the countryside, it encountered various animals and faced challenges that tested its courage. However, it was the encounter with a lost and frightened kitten that truly changed the Akita's journey. Despite their differences, the Akita Inu felt a surge of compassion for the small creature and decided to help it find its way back home. Together, they navigated the winding paths, with the Akita Inu using its keen sense of direction and intelligence to guide them. Along the way, the unlikely pair shared stories and learned from each other, discovering the beauty of friendship that transcends differences. Their adventure led them through fields of green and forests, whispering ancient tales, all the while strengthening the bond between them. The villagers watched in awe as the Akita Inu, a symbol of loyalty and strength, showed them the equally important values of empathy and friendship. Upon returning the kitten to its grateful family, the Akita Inu was celebrated not just for its bravery, but for its kind heart. The village was reminded that true friendship knows no boundaries, and that even the most unlikely companions can form an unbreakable bond. And so, the Akita Inu returned home, its journey complete, but its life forever enriched by the friendship it had found. It knew that every creature, no matter how small or different, had a story worth listening to and a friendship worth offering. The end.